Hi there, students. Somber, an adjective. Somberly, the adverb. And I guess somberness, the noun. Well, the first question is how to spell this word. I, as a Brit, end it R-E. It's a bit like this word theatre, words ending in R-E. But the Americans spell this E-R. So for me, S-O-M-B-R-E. But for an American, S-O-M-B-E-R, I guess. Okay, somber means dark and gloomy, dimly lit, without much light, shadowy. And then from that, dark in colour, not bright and shiny, yeah? A dark, sombre colour. If you go to a funeral, you should wear sombre clothes. And then from that, metaphorically, sombre, melancholic, dreary, gloomy, grim, or grave and extremely serious. It was a sombre situation. Everybody had a sombre look on their face. The feeling in the room was very sombre. Okay? So, you can say the room was sombre, there was no light in it, it was quite dark. But most commonly we use sombre to mean serious, sad, without humour. So a funeral is a very sombre occasion. He talked to me in a sombre voice and looked at me with a very sombre face, depressed, serious, sad. He was in a very sombre mood, depressed, down. And then dark, plain, undecorated. He wore a sombre black suit, as fits an accountant. Sorry. Okay, sombre. So, sombre. He looked at me very somberly. Yeah? If somebody is very serious and very grave, then they are sombre. Yeah? The sombre bureaucrats or sombre dignitaries who do not laugh at anything. The film was a very sombre affair. The plot was very sombre, depressing in character. Yeah, he spoke very somberly about very sombre matters, gloomy suggestions, gloomy ideas. And then I guess, yeah, the sky was very sombre and it looked like it was about to rain. The somberness of the sky indicated coming rain. Yeah, so dark, gloomy, murky, shadowy, and that's the idea. Yeah. This marks a very sombre anniversary. Yeah, the anniversary of the sinking of the Titanic. Okay, so dismal, melancholy, dim or gloomy, shadowy, yeah, dull and dark. He seemed to be in a very sombre mood. Yeah, grave, gloomy, mournful, lugubrious is a good word as well. The room was painted in a sombre, dark grey colour. The prospects for the future are very sombre. Yeah, the room was decorated in sombre hues. He was pretty sombre, depressed or depressive about his chances of winning. Okay, and this is the idea of sombre. Yeah, sombre is rather dark and gloomy and depressing. So, how formal is somber? I think you could use somber in an informal conversation. I'm going to give it a 5.5, 5.75. It sounds a little bit literary, yeah? People would probably say dark, gloomy, depressed, grim, something like that. Somber sounds a little bit more literary, but you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. And then the origin, well, it comes from French, this French word sombre, which means dark. Yeah. And I guess there was a Latin verb, something like sombrere, okay, which comes from sub, underneath, and umbra, shade. So, under the shade. Yeah, if something's under a shade, it's dark and gloomy. Or if somebody's under a shade, yeah, or a shade, maybe even like a ghost, they're not very happy. Yeah, the news was very somber. The newsreader somberly announced the death of the Queen. So, somber. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Somber. Somberly.